Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm LV Marie G. Hermogenes. I'm 43 years old. I live in Rizal, Santiago City, Isabela. I am married and 5 children. I have one sister and I'm the eldest of the family. I am hardworking person, trustworthy and patient. I have also experienced as a helper here in the Philippines for 6 years. I serve four people, the couple, the 10-year-old girl and 12-year-old boy. My responsibilities is to send to school the children, to clean, to wash, to iron, to cook, to garden, and take care of dog. I also experienced another 2 years as a nanny here in the Philippines. I serve four people, the couple, the 4-year-old and 5-year-old kid. My responsibilities is to send the children to school, to clean, to wash, to iron, to cook, and to tutor the kids. Mom and sir, if you will hire me as a domestic helper in your family, I will do my best. I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. Mom and sir, if you will hire me, I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you so much and have a good day.